now that they've cooled, I'm going to grab one of them, open it up. Oh yeah. Take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Melt 1/2 cup of butter. Add 3/4 cup of sugar to a large bowl and pour the melted butter over it. Mix until combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of sour cream and mix. Peel 2 ripe bananas and mash them well. Add the mashed bananas to the large bowl and mix. Add 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to a sifter and sift it into the bowl, or whisk in a separate bowl first. Then stir until well combined. Add most of the 1 cup of chocolate chips, reserve some for later. Stir until combined. Line a muffin pan with paper cups and fill each cup about 3/4 full. Sprinkle on the remaining chocolate chips. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool 5 to 10 minutes. Then serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmac.com.